Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. We are going to practice because I really want to get into drifting, so we're gonna practice. Aaron's gonna help me record. We're in this closed off area. See what we can do from here. We're probably gonna get some nice clips. It's just a little area. Somebody already was having fun out here, so that's what we're gonna do. Grippy. Like very grippy. All right, Aaron's gonna try it because clearly I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, to be fair, we don't know if I can do it either.
All right, well, like I said, the tires are very sticky now. I'm scared. I thought you was finna keep going.
I was, but like you said, once he got over, I knew.
Yeah. With the V6 engine in it, soon as you gotta give it full throttle, but when you give it full throttle, it slings out. So it's like, you know, you can't really control that. See, every time when you trying to initiate it,
you don't have enough momentum to keep going.
I know.
Like you said, it has enough to do the turn, but as soon as you get full tilt this way, you can feel it doesn't have enough.
It'll start catching grip. I thought you was finna keep going.
I thought about it, but as soon as I went that way,
you saw the gate and you was like, oh no.
We just need a larger area to carry the momentum.
Yeah.
You know? Well, first of all, neither one of us really know how to do it.
Yeah. Oh man, that scared the mess out of me. That's from the water.
A few moments later.
All right, so the Foxbody just made it home, and yeah, right here. Nothing happened over here in the driveway, just right here. Look like it's coming out the coolant cap. That's good. It's not like a busted radiator or a busted hose or anything like that. It just came out the cap. I probably got to get a better radiator cap that holds more pressure to it, because you know that's not really much. All right guys, it's the next day. I saw something very concerning, but I couldn't really tell, so we're gonna take a look at it today since it's daylight and see what's going on. So the other day I had a problem because I stalled and spun out that it wouldn't start, and I noticed all this corrosion. So I'm gonna have to fix that and clean it up and make sure it's good. But I was looking in there, and I'm not sure if it's because I got a junkyard coolant reservoir, but that's not just coolant down there. I don't know how well you can see it, but that's not just coolant down there. So I'm gonna check the cap since it's cooled off and see. What would you look at that? I can't see anything. It's still green down in there. It does have a little rust in it, but this engine block has a lot of rust in it anyway, so it doesn't look bad. Let's check the oil real quick. Oh, it looks good. So I am definitely low on coolant, so that's fine. I can just fill up the coolant. I guess I'm gonna have to give me another radiator cap just to hold down the pressure a little bit better, because that radiator is from Amazon. So maybe the radiator cap is not the greatest. Eventually, whenever I do decide to put more power down into it, I am going to use a 3-row radiator, probably from SVE. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we are planning to do that. Still running pretty smoothly. I just gotta add more coolant to it, change this radiator cap out, and then do something with that. But I don't know. I guess it's just overheated because it just got too hot. That's it. I was pushing this car pretty hard yesterday, so, and I did drive 25 minutes out there and then 25 minutes back. And now we here. First things first, rest in peace, Ken Block. You will be missed. Secondly, I think I'm going to have to switch out the tires on my Foxbody, because I got some free tires from my last job. They're actually SUV tires, so they're not car tires, which means they are kind of too tall. Me and Aaron kind of came up with the theory of every time I will swing my weight to one side, since it's a V6 rear end and it's not welded, when all the weight get pushed onto one side, the fender actually rubs on the tire, which slows the tire down, which gets you traction, which make you go straight into a wall. That ain't fun. I literally considered not drifting anymore because of that. But everybody got to start somewhere, and everybody got to figure out. And this is the whole point of this playlist series, is to show you the progress of drifting. So what is next for the Foxbody? I gotta get coolant. Second thing, I gotta get a new radiator cap, because it didn't even show that it was overheating. It's just, I don't know, maybe my coolant temperature sensor is messed up. I don't know. I just gotta figure out what's going on with that. Third thing is I gotta swap out the tires. I'm probably gonna end up swapping it to my 1998 V6 wheels, the stock wheels, you know, the 3-bar tri-bar wheels. Then I have to fix the connection on the battery terminal, so hopefully that would help, because at one point it didn't start and I have no idea why. But if you missed the last playlist video, it's right here. Go ahead, click on it. I'll see you in the next video, okay?